Going nuts. Unraveling the meaning of a popular English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to crack the shell of a very interesting phrase, going nuts. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding phrases like this can be both exciting and useful. So, let's dive in and find out what it means when someone says they are going nuts. When someone says they are going nuts, they don't mean they're turning into actual nuts. In English, going nuts is an idiom that means becoming crazy or extremely enthusiastic about something. It can be used in both a negative and a positive context. For example, if you're feeling overwhelmed, you might say, "I'm going nuts with all this work." Or, if you're very excited about an upcoming concert of your favorite band, you might say, "I'm going nuts waiting for the concert to start." The phrase, going nuts, has been around for quite some time. It's believed to originate from the late 19th to early 20th century. The term, nut, has been associated with the head and, by extension, the brain. So, when someone is going nuts, it's like saying there's something funny going on in their head. Using going nuts correctly can help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's look at a few examples. I've been going nuts trying to figure out this puzzle. She's going nuts with excitement for her birthday party. My parents are going nuts because of the noise. Remember, the tone of your voice and context matters a lot. If you say it in a cheerful way, it's positive. If you say it in a frustrated tone, it's negative. Even though going nuts is a casual and informal phrase, it's important to use it correctly. Avoid using this phrase in formal situations or with people you don't know well, as it may be considered too casual or even rude. Also, don't confuse going nuts with actually talking about nuts like almonds or peanuts. And that's a wrap on going nuts. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel more confident using this quirky English idiom. Remember, learning a language is all about getting to know the little expressions that give it flavor. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to